road rage incidents are so insane. We just can't get over them, so we have to react. This like face already. Something's going on here.
I got a key in my car, and you're driving like an asshole and you want to videotape me? F you. Is that all?
I was not expecting that. Dang, one punch, goodbye glass window, no thank you. That's freaking crazy. The definition of road rage right there. Oh no. Oh no. Why do they just keep trying? No. This is terrible. This is terrible. This is just terrible. They just left like half the wheels behind. It just keeps on going. That's terrible. How do you just like get stuck that badly and just keep pressing the gas? I don't understand. At what point do you not go, maybe I should just check out what's going on here? That's so scary. Okay, we've got a dash cam. Whoa. What? What? Did I actually just see what I think I just saw? Is that a horse? Is that a real horse? We just saw a horse drift so hard that there's sparks. Like, I am fully speechless at this point in time. I 100% am fully speechless. I don't even know what to say. LMAO, you notice how as soon as I mentioned the cops, he left me alone. Nice.
Do you understand
just a cool
me?
threat.
The cops do too.
Yeah.
Oh. He suddenly had absolutely nothing to say. Crazy how that works. He was speechless. He was simply speechless. So weird. It's like, yeah, when you realize there's consequences, you can't just say whatever you want. Things get a little different. Oh my gosh. This is like next level.
No way you just did that.
Oh my gosh.
No way. Nah, I ain't clear because your haters are. No, it's coming after. No way.
The windshield wipers being on.
I ain't letting her hit me at all, bro. She's insane. You can't tell me let her hit me.
Imagine getting out of your car to go and break somebody else's windshield wipers and knowing that they're filming you too. Very obviously a crime. Very obviously a crime. Dang, people get bad road rage. Have you guys ever had road rage? And I mean like this level, not just like you're in your car and you swear at someone, you know? We've all done that.
Why don't you go back to your country? Jesus Christ, what do you think I was gonna do? You're gonna knock me?
It's just so funny because like people will give this person like the benefit of the doubt. Like she looks harmless, she's just an angry person. And then she comes up and tells them to go back to their own country.
What's literally in my lane? Oh, okay, I know what kind of guy you are.
Hey,
So ugly ass, ass out. Ugly ass. Old ass. Old ass. Is this a joke though? What is going on?
He had it right in the beginning. She's just an angry person. She's just an angry person who feels the need to be rude and put other people down because she can't just like deal with what kind of person she is. If I had bigoted opinions like that, I probably also would be very angry. Weirdo. Weird Karen.
Who's the one that hit it?
And he did end up going to jail. Oh my god. Dang.
We have that on recording. You're going to jail.
Dang, that's really crazy. I feel like people just like forget that driving is such a privilege. Like, you don't have to have your license. They could just take it away from you, preferably. If you're gonna drive like that, you weirdo. Everyone's weird today. I don't like it. Ugh, I hate people who do this. Okay, it lagged. Let's go back. I hate people who do this. It's so annoying. Like, why? Why are you so entitled? Like, there's nobody in front of you or anything. Like, just let the person pass. Just let the person pass you. We're driving here. It's not the time for your ego to get in the way. So weird. People are so weird. Why do you care? Just let them leave and then you never have to deal with them again. Snowy. Whew. That kind of weather's coming up. Why? So close to that person, and it's so snowy. Ooh. Oh. That was not what I expected to happen. Oh my gosh. I was just expecting them to be like rear-ended or something because they were so close and just cutting off this person and it's snowy out. But nope, they just got doored and didn't look to open their door in the middle of traffic. In the middle of traffic. That's what you get. That was like fully just instant karma. Motorbikes. Motorcycles make me afraid. I'm afraid of them. That's why. These people go that fast. Couldn't be me. Nope, I hate it. Motorcycles scare me so bad. Every time I see somebody riding a motorcycle, I get afraid. I get afraid. I don't know. I just wouldn't want to go that fast without lots of stuff around me. Lots of cushion, you know? That's just me though. That's it guys, that's all the road rage clips we have for you today. I want you to let me know down below in the comments your road rage experience. What's the craziest one? If you only had to tell me one story, what would it be? I'll be lurking and looking, all right? I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski. I'll see you again soon, goodbye. Oh, that's it. That's it guys, that's all. What? I just like blacked out there for a second. Probably hear that gulp. That was a big one. One sec. Thank you, Adriel. You just sent me a short. Thank you for that. Respect and appreciation. I'll watch that after I've done this video. Alright. This one's like in between. But I think the bar's been going away, so maybe I should just try that. Wait for the bar to go away. It did. Isn't that crazy? It's weird how that's just working now. That's it. That's the intro. Okay. LMAO, you notice how as soon as I mention the cops, you left me alone. I can't hear it. Why can't I hear it? Is the audio? Why can't I hear it? One sec, sorry. That video. There's no audio in this video, so maybe I'll just skip it. I don't know. I don't know what to do because we can't hear it. Oh, I can weirdly hear it now. That's so strange. Okay, weird, but at least it worked. Okay, let's try that one again. Let me know, you notice how as soon as I